Hi guys! We're going to Mook Farm! Ay, excited sila. Ganda pala na asawa ko, gusto na i-meet. O diba? Love you. Alright, so family time muna kami. Mag-rest lang tayo sa Mook Farm. Alright, tara. Let's go. Lang dun sa entrance.
Ay, sorry, napindot ko na. Cut mo na lang. Ayan, Mook Farm.
Alright, Mook Farm. Let's go Mook Farm.
Turn right, then your destination will be on the left.
Mook Farm. Mook Farm, may kalabaw.
Sweet, baka.
Baka pa.
Kalabaw.
Here's a baka. Mook Farm.
Continue for 1 kilometer.
Right here. Farm. Yeah. Look oh. There's a mook. Mook Farm. Bakit mook? Moo and milk. There. Okay, let's see. Welcome to the New Zealand of Tanay. Gabi, we are in New Zealand. We are in New Zealand.
Say hi, kids!
Mulki tour. Dater lang tayo. Imando yan. Anak, ang daming taing ng kalabaw ha. Be careful.
Sweet. Oh. Again, hindi kalabaw. Baka.
Baka.
Ulitin ko pa ba?
Baka. Baka. Let's go. Pakain na ng cow. Si Kuya. Gonna feed the cow. Contact.
Ito yung mami.
Ay, mutik na dynamite. Moo. Moo. Dahan-dahan lang daw, dapat malayo. Oo. Po Kuya.
Sa baba lang ma'am.
Baba lang daw, baba.
Alam nila may ground.
Ah, may ground to? Paano may ground? May kuryente? Oh, okay. So hindi kami pwedeng humawak din?
Hindi naman po siya.
Wala ka. Basta don't touch the ano. May ground pala siya. May kuryente pala to.
Bago lang ako, ma'am. 3 months pa lang po. Maganda po yung kulay niya talaga.
Picnic muna kami habang umiinom ng milk.
Sana all.
Yes, with my sweetheart. So beautiful. Girls, bilisan nyo ha. Go lang. Wash your hands. Be careful. Set up muna kami dito. Relax. And drink milk. Yeah, be careful. I join you guys. Pagilid ako ah. Ganda naman. Guys, so yun, we're going na. Nag-enjoy pa kayo kids? Nag-enjoy? Enjoy, lalo na to. Ayan, with swing and everything. So yung ginastos lang namin, overall kami, family of 4, 1,300 no? Yeah, so sobrang sulit na. So kasama na yung pag-feed ng mga cows, may libreng gatas na, saka, gatas saka chocolate no? Saka set up na rin nung picnic. So pwede siya pang family, small group meetings, ganyan. Saka camping na rin, so pwede mag-camping dito. Yeah, sobrang ano lang siya, hindi naman siya masyadong maraming amenities. Pero pwede sa mga bata. Ayan, so kung gusto niyo lang mag-relax, this is the best place. One of the best place in Tanay. Welcome to New Zealand in Tanay. Ayun o, sabi New Zealand in Tanay. Alright, so thank you guys for watching our vlog. Subscribe to our channel. God bless everyone. See you.
When does it get easier? And I'm pressed against the